What's up, G Money?
What's up, G Money?
What are we doing today?
More projects. Oil gaskets coming on in.
Gasket. Alright, so this is the leaky one, man. Look.
Yeah, I think both of them.
It's soaked.
Oh, yeah. This is done. Looks good.
Hey, how much money you got in the bank account? This much, right?
Yeah. The purchase price is only the down payment. Always remember that.
You want to pull out the other one? Yeah.
So.
I mean, overall, everything looks cool and clean.
Man, looks new. He wasn't lying when he said it's an all new engine.
Yeah. Everything looks good. Normal. A little bit of play here and there, but that's just all the way it should be. No metal in here.
Nope.
Yep. Man. What do you got? Heads. Elder block heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. A lot of nice. Right, now we gotta clean that baby up.
And we gotta clean all this up, take it off. This is on there, man.
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh,
Alright, let's
yeah.
pick it up. Alright, man, we gotta seal it off. Gasket. We gotta clean this baby up a little bit. You almost done?
Yeah, sure.
I like how you got the grill going. No, this is the proper way how to heat up the garage.
Yes, sir.
Just in case anybody needs a heater for the garage, just get a grill. One of these guys.
Grill, man.
Yeah. Don't worry about the meat.
It's gonna be hungry a little bit.
Man, this Mustang looking nice. How you like a lowered Mustang?
Oh, it's badass, man.
It looks really nice, man. All the tires now look tucked in and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gotta get the new rims now.
I would go maybe 16s, 17s, maybe.
17.
Lower profile tire. I think that'll look nice. All right, let's clean this good. Find me the brush.
Right. One of the doors. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. Alright guys, so we got all the valve covers are cleaned, all nice brushed, and they just need to be washed off with some brake cleaner inside. And we got everything back here now, so I'm about to head start cleaning the surface on the heads. Yeah, it's relatively clean, but I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more. So what is up, guys? And today we are working on a 1965 Ford Mustang V8 302 something. It's got a V8 in it. That's about it. And it's leaking oil all over the gaskets, all over the heads, and it's dripping down on exhaust. And that's a really bad idea. And it smells horrible bad. So yeah, this is the Mustang we worked on before the V8 brake conversion. We put a disc on front instead of drums. So now we're working on the gaskets. And these are the covers. And these are the new ones we're gonna go with. So, it'll look just like this. Yeah, buddy, so we got all the gaskets on, sealer, and we got the heads cleaned. Who's throwing all the shit on?
These nuts.
Alright, man, we got all this hooked up, so you know which one is going where?
Yeah, this one goes here.
How do you know?
Because
It's got a hole over there?
in the back.
Alright.
valves in the front.
So
Sometimes I pay attention, my friend. Sometimes.
Alright, slide it back underneath. Slowly line up.
Okay.
Alright, so here, use this guy. This one go in the middle, top, yep. Here.
This one's not catching.
Hold on a second. Don't move it. There, we got our valve covers back on, all hooked up, lights are out, time to go home. Shit, boy. You killed everything.
No, it's all right.
Oh, that's good.
So nice.
Now you broke the lights.
I must have shut it off.
Broken the lights. Alright, we got valve covers on, cleaned up, tools put away. Let's go, 65 Mustang.